Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice drawing for beginners in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will learn the basic commands of Inventor to make a 3D part. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now go to 2D Sketch and we will select the XY plane. Now go to Circle command and select the center point and make a circle of dia 70, and from same center point make circle of dia 40 mm. Okay, now finish sketch and go to extrude command and select this inner profile between 40 and 70 dia circle and give a distance of 50 mm. This is one directional extrude and OK. Now go to origin and again select the XY plane. From here select create sketch and go to line command. Here make a horizontal line and till here one and join this. So this is basically a triangular profile. Now go to fillet command. This is used for give the radius. Take a radius of 20 mm. Select this and this. Similarly this line and this line and this line and this line. Okay. For all the radius will be 20 mm. Go to view. From here we will change the view style. Go to visual style and go to wireframe. We generally work in wireframe for sketching part to see the all sketch in one go. Go to sketch and from here select the dimension. Select this circle, it will select the center point and select this center point. The center to center distance between these two will be of 100 mm. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay. Now go to dimension. From here to this center, this distance will be of 50. So this will be half. Okay. Now go to this point and select this center. This is center of this radius. So this will be at a distance of 50 mm. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. So they are horizontally aligned, all the 3 points. Now go to circle and at this point make a circle of dia 20 mm. Make circle over here of 20 and on this point also dia 20 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to extrude or just 1 minute. If you extrude, it will close this circular profile also. Go to sketch 2 again and here go to project geometry. It is used to project already created geometry in the sketch. So select this outer circle, escape. Now go to trim command and we will trim this inner profile. Okay, so the extruded profile will be this outer profile except this circle. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and select this outer. Now you can see the blue portion will be extrude. Rotate. Okay. Go to view, visual style, back to shaded with edges. Now it is by default selected cut, but we want a join, so select here join and here give extrude length of 12 mm and OK. Okay, so this will be the extrude profile. Now go to 3D model and from here select fillet for radius and take a radius of 10 mm. After selecting the radius, click here to select the edge, otherwise you would not be able to select the edge. Select this edge and select this edge, radius of 10 mm, and apply. Exit. Now rotate this. Now we will make this top profile. So as you can see here, it is not starting from this face. So this profile is not starting from this face. So there is a gap. For that gap, go to plane, go to offset from plane, select this top face, and here the arrow is going this side, but we want a plane at back side. So here we will give a dimension minus 6 mm. Now you can see the plane is created here, and OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, select this and make a project joint. OK, and escape. Now go to line command. First from this center, make a center line. Escape. Center line will be the vertical line passing through the center of the complete part, and make it a construction geometry by clicking on this. OK. Now go to line command. From here, make a straight line and join it till here. Escape. Go to dimension. From center line, this will be at distance of 12.5 and this distance will be 10 mm. OK. Now you can see this line is becoming taper. Select this line and from here click on vertical constraint. OK, it is joining somewhere at bottom. OK, it is joining at this radius. So first select this, delete, and go to line and make a straight line over here. Escape. Now go to view, visual style, and wireframe. Now you can see this line is passing inside this profile. So go to sketch, trim, and trim this inner profile. Escape. Now go to dimension. To define the height, select this and select the center point. The height will be 70 mm. Escape. Now go to arc command and here we will select center point arc. From this center, make one arc from here till this green point and escape. Select this yellow projected profile and make it a construction geometry. Again select construction geometry. OK. So this will be the solid part. Now go to mirror and select this top profile. Go to mirror line and select this center line. Apply and done. OK. Now go to trim. Trim this between profile and escape. Now go to 3D model, extrude. Extrude this. OK. Now you can see one thing. If the profile is above this area, it will also not take the extrude. So go to sketch, trim, and trim this and trim this. OK. Now this is complete close profile. Go to finish, extrude this and this. OK. Now you can see the extrude. From here, flip the direction to direction 2 and give a distance of 30 mm. OK. Here we will select join and OK. Now go to view, visual style, and change it to shaded with edges. OK. Now we will hide this plane. So select this plane, right click, and turn off its visibility. Now go to 3D model and we will select the fillet command for radius and take a radius here of 15 mm. Select edge As this whole dimension is of 30, we have taken the radius half of its length to make a complete round profile. Select this side edge and this side edge. Similarly this side and this side. Apply and exit. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch and go to circle profile. Select, drag the mouse over this, it will show you the center point. Click on this center point and make a radius of or dia of 15 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude and drag it this side to make a cut profile. Here it will change to cut and OK. Now select this face once again, go to create sketch. This time go to circle. From this circle, the center point and make a circle of dia 30. Dimension, here give the dimension as 30 mm. 3D model, extrude. Here give this extrude of 5 mm. And here take join and OK. So this will be a profile coming out from this face. Now go to mirror and select the extrude 5. Go to mirror plane and here we will select the YZ plane. Here you can see this profile and OK. OK. Now we will give the fillet and radius. Now go to fillet. Take a fillet radius of 2 mm. Select edge. Select this and select this. Similarly, select this profile and select this profile. OK. Select this, similarly select this and select this side. Apply. OK. Now select this complete profile of 2 radius. Similarly, select this complete profile of 2 radius and apply. OK. Now exit from this and go to, from here we will select the chamfer. Chamfer is used for the angle. Here take a chamfer of 1.5 mm. Select this inner circle edge and select this edge. Select this circle and select this circle. Here all the chamfer will be of 0.5. If we take the equal dimension chamfer, the degree of chamfer will be 45. 1045 equals to 1. So by that you can see, you calculate, apply. Now remain in this and change the chamfer value to 0.5 mm. Rotate this view, select this circle, rotate and select this circle and apply. OK. Now from here we'll assign the color OP. So we will select the opal color. You can define any as your requirement. So this will be the assembly or the part. So this was a basic tutorial to learn the basic commands used to generate a 3D model in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.